BMW 318, and this is a 2008 model. There is multiple lights on in the dash, so the traction control warning light, the ABS light, brake warning, and the power steering fault up here as well. But the main issue is, as you can hear, that noise. So we're going to plug this car in and see what fault codes come up, both on the ABS side and on the steering side. I'm just after running a diagnostic on it now. Went into the steering side of it, and as you can see there's a steering wheel angle sensor fault that's coming up, or steering wheel angle implausible fault that's coming up, and that's located down there. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put it up on the lift, and I'm going to have a closer inspection of the actual rack itself, check the wiring condition, and make sure that everything in that area is okay, and that there's no damage done from external damage done, like if it hit a rock or if there was water damage or anything like that. So the old rack is now removed, and I have the other rack installed. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to do a step-by-step guide on this. When you are running a business, you have customers that are waiting on vehicles. It restricts the time I can spend on editing videos, and unfortunately, or fortunately, depending on which way you look at it, we are extremely busy. So that leaves me with limited time to do these videos. Most videos I tend to do in the evenings, which the door is closed and the phone has stopped ringing, but in this case this one had to be done by a certain time frame, so like I said, I wasn't able to do it. But should you want to know the steps, there is bolts here which is securing it. You have a universal joint that goes on to this end piece here. There will also be a heat shield type bracket that sits onto this. Then of course you have your track rod ends, that side and that side. Now, depending on what rack you get, if these are no good, you might have to replace them if it's a second-hand one, and so on and so forth. The issue with this one was the actual motor itself in here was faulty, so there was no fix for this. There's no reconditioning. It was a straight replace, and all the wiring was checked, the connectors was checked, because sometimes these can get external damage. Everything showed up to be okay, and the other one is now fitted to the car. What I am going to do at this particular time is bring it for a test drive, and just confirm everything is okay. I have spun the wheel in the workshop already, and the noise is now gone, so I do presume that everything is 100%, but that road test will just reconfirm that for me. Other than that, this stage is done. Like any job, if you are unsure of it, I would leave it to someone who has the tools, the knowledge and the capabilities to carry this job out. You will need the diagnostic tool to confirm the issue based on the fault codes like you've seen in the earlier parts of the video. But that is it. Next stage is test drive, and I'll catch you in the next clip. So I'm just after fitting the steering rack and putting it all back, and coming back from a test drive, and now the steering problem has been sorted. So we've managed to rectify the issue, and there's no more noise coming from the steering wheel, and the power steering is working as it should be. So I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please like, share, comment and subscribe.
if you want to know how to get rid of the ABS traction control warning lights that are on in the dash, I already have a video done on another E90 on that, and it's the same problem on this one. So if you're interested, go check that out. That's also on my channel, and I'll link it in the description. Other than that, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.